Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Delta faces a $380 million revenue hit from CrowdStrike outage, while Unity Software lowers full-year guidance and shakes up its executive team. Medical Property Trust stock slides after inline Q2 earnings and plans to limit dividends. Main Street Capital beats estimates with NII of $1.70 as the robotaxi fleet race intensifies with Tesla, Waymo, Zoox, Uber, Lyft, and BYD in the mix. Gilead surpasses quarterly expectations and raises its full-year non-GAAP EPS outlook. Paramount plans to cut 15% of its U.S. workforce amid gains. SoundHound AI beats EPS estimates despite a loss. And Microsoft teams up with Palantir to provide AI services to U.S. defense agencies. Stay tuned after the short ad break for more details on these stories. Delta Airlines experienced a tech outage on July 19 due to CrowdStrike, resulting in 700 flight cancellations over 5 days. Delta is seeking $500 million in damages from CrowdStrike and Microsoft. A class action lawsuit has been filed against Delta for breach of contract and unfair practices.
Unity Software shares fell almost 4% after weak second quarter results, a reduced full-year outlook, and the announcement of a new finance chief. The company reported an adjusted loss of 32 cents per share with revenue down 16% to $449.3 million. Unity also lowered its full-year sales and EBITDA forecasts.
Medical Properties Trust, or MPT, saw shares drop 7.6% in pre-market trading after Q2 earnings met analyst estimates but agreed to limit its cash dividend. Q2 normalized funds from operations per share were 23 cents, down from 24 cents in Q1 and 48 cents last year. The Healthcare Real Estate Investment Trust reported a net loss of 54 cents per share due to significant impairments and adjustments despite gains from asset transactions. Revenue for the quarter was $266.6 million, beating estimates but down from previous periods. MPT's largest tenant filed for bankruptcy in May, impacting financials. The company generated over $2.5 billion in liquidity this year and amended its credit facility post-quarter end, reducing commitments and modifying covenants through September 2025. MPT agreed to cap quarterly dividends at 80 cents per share compared to the current 15 cents due to credit facility terms. Expenses rose to $246.7 million this quarter but were lower than last year's figures. During Q2, MPT sold several properties totaling over $1 billion and repaid significant debt amounts. As of June 30, 2024, MPT's portfolio included 435 facilities with approximately 42,000 licensed beds across 9 countries.
Main Street Capital reported second quarter net investment income of $1.70 per share, beating estimates by 70 cents. Total investment income reached $132.15 million, a 3.6% increase year-over-year, surpassing expectations by $1.9 million. Ryan Nelson has been promoted to Chief Financial Officer and Treasurer amid modest rises in non-accrual percentages.
Tesla's robotaxi event, initially set for August 8, is now rescheduled to October 10. CEO Elon Musk aims to reveal the future of autonomous vehicles. Despite impressive updates, Tesla's full self-driving system still faces challenges. Competitors like Waymo and Zoox are also advancing in the autonomous vehicle market.
Gilead Sciences is raising its 2024 non-GAAP earnings per share guidance to $3.60 to $3.90 after strong Q2 results. Full-year product sales remain projected at $27.1 billion to $27.5 billion, with revenue consensus at $27.58 billion. The liver diseases business grew 17%, cancer treatments rose 15.5%, and HIV treatments increased by 2.6%. COVID-19 antiviral Veklury saw a sales drop of 16.4%. Gilead ended Q2 with $2.8 billion in cash, down from $8.4 billion due to acquisitions and debt repayments.
Paramount will cut about 15% of its U.S. workforce to save $500 million annually. This involves reducing redundancies and streamlining corporate structure. Despite missing revenue and subscriber growth expectations, Paramount's profitability improved, boosting its stock by 5.4% post-earnings report.
SoundHound AI reported a second quarter non-GAAP earnings per share of -4 cents, beating estimates by 5 cents. Revenue reached $13.46 million, up 53.8% year-over-year, surpassing expectations by $370,000. The company also announced a deal to acquire Amelia AI and is eyeing significant growth in the voice AI market.
Palantir Technologies and Microsoft are joining forces to boost cloud, AI, and analytics for U.S. defense and intelligence. They will combine Microsoft's large language models through Azure OpenAI service with Palantir's AI platform in secure government settings. This partnership aims to safely develop AI-driven operational workloads across defense sectors. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights and updates in the business world. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.